Okay. Alright, then one. Alright. Should be the right things. Public yes, great. What are we doing today? Alright, first things first, I want to extend out certain stuff from yesterday. Let's delete that. Let that stay. Delete this. Get rid of these. Get rid of that. This. Alright, so let's again start from a daily. What is on the daily? So we're still at 50%. We're rejecting it same way. Nothing has changed on the daily. I don't know why I even still come to the daily, but sometimes it's necessary, I guess. First time mark. Okay, great. We're probably trading up to the new week opening gap. Not probably. We're more than like trade up to the new week opening gap and then go and then reject it, or do a full closure to it. H1, how are we looking? Like that low. Let's mark it as liquidity. Let's see how we have reacted to it on the lower time frame. So this is new week opening gap. Let's mark that out. Like that. Last down candle body. It's a new week opening gap. It's very, very wide, so I want to divide it in half and stuff. Like that. Style. Trend line, not necessary. Yeah. New week opening gap. Now, 15 SMTs. Okay. There's something going on here. There's something going on here as well. Yeah, there's something going on here. There's something going on right there as well. Yeah, there's something going on right there as well. Alright. So what is it that I want to see? bag of secret sauce. Let's see. Very interested in the price action on ES. Very interested in the price action on ES. So that's what I'm watching right now. Actually, very interested in these down candles here, the block of down candles. Let's take an average. Yeah. Very interested in that. Oh yeah, by the way, there's news today's FOMC. FOMC at 2 right here. So what is the size of this range? Let's see if we can participate. Because all we're doing right now is scalping. It's 52 points. Do I believe this is bullish or do I believe this is bearish? If we're bearish, what do I not want to see us close beneath? If we're bullish, what do I not want to see us close beneath? Let's see what's going on here. If we are bullish, how does this work now? Okay. Alright, let's go to the H1. If we are bullish, where do we not want to see them trade and close below? Obviously here, because this is the SMT. So if we're bullish, this low should not be taken out. So I'm automatically thinking that this fair value gap is very important. It's a very important fair value gap. Automatically. Now above that fair value gap, what is in this price action that could help prices to push higher? There are these three down candles that hit a next down candle. Could be a propulsion block. This is also inside of a down candle inside of it. To get a propulsion block to get up to here. FOMC. Or okay, look at the fact that we swept out this low right here. We could look at the fact that this is a range and we poked right to discount of it. So it's right here, right where that wick is. Right where that wick is, we poked right to discount. Could look at that. What else could you look at? There's so much we could look at here. But that's why I'm bullish. So I'm bullish from this area. So I'd like to see bullish price actions come from it. I don't want to see bears right here. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for the evidence of the bulls. I look for them footprints. Probably 9:30 will give us more of an indication of what is going on. Alright, where's the last liquidity pool before this low? Alright. Right. Alright. What else do I need to see from these charts? Okay, it's trolling me. I see, trolling me. Trolling me. My 30 is about to open in the next 8 minutes. What is it that I want to do now? I'm going too long. I'm going too long. I want to look for a long. If I want to look for a long, how do I do that? At the first step. I wanna see prices do some sort of signature, some bullish delivery signature. Seeing anything. That's why I'm not seeing anything. That's why I want to wait until 9:30. That's why waiting until 9:30 is so underrated. If ES creates an up candle here, alright, so on the M1 ES, on the M1 and ES, so I want an up candle close to 50% to this, or I want an up candle closing above this high. I need one closing above this high. On the M5, I mean. But by that time 9:30 open, so I'm just not gonna even, you know. So I'll be back. 9:30. I would like to see 9:30 do a little pull back into the range, then rally high, run higher, take out that high, a small retracement, and then run again. Probably something like that. $9.30 would have a reason to do so. Alright, BRB. Alright. So let's see what happens now. Spent a significant portion of time on both that candle, that 5-minute candle. So that started here. Let me say this is a very important candle. Let me just say that. What else am I interested in here? By the way, this is the New York open price, midnight open price. It's right here. It's midnight open price. Below. All right. So I am gonna put on a long here. I'm looking. I want a CSD. On the first CSD, I'm gonna long. On this first CSD inside of here, inside of this fair value gap, once you don't breach this area here, once a CSD comes from there, I'm gonna long. Gonna add to it if we can get above here in a retracement. But I don't want to see it break this area. I don't want to see it break it, to be honest. That's becomes very, very no bueno. Okay. Very, very, very no bueno. So trade idea dead. these are the things. These are the things, though. These are the things. Know what you're looking for and never settle for less than that. And today's FOMC, by the way. So there's news at 2. So this is low probability price action. But I don't mind viewing and participating in low probability price action because I'm gonna reduce my risk. You get me? So today would be Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesdays I half risk. Wednesdays, Thursday, and Friday I do full risk. Because today's FOMC, I'm gonna go back to half risk on a Wednesday. If it was a Tuesday and it was FOMC or some big news on Tuesday, like some CPI or something like that, I would use quarter of my risk. You see that? So I know last couple of streams it's been like it hasn't been full risk, but that's a big part about being a trader. You have to know when to really and truly look to put on your risk, and that's one of the things that I somewhat struggle with, you know, knowing when to put on my risk. So I just beat that by having the numbers in my head. Just having the numbers in my head. Know what I am comfortable with and what I'm not comfortable with. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can do something from here. That's Asia's low, by the way. We took out Asia's low. Asia's low is here. Here is Asia's low. But I like this one more than Asia's low. Well, that's Asia's low right there. Let's just mark it. Let's mark it. The first, second liquidity is Asia's low. Or let's just put it Asia's low. Asia's low. Let's see. I'd rather this not close beneath here. I'd much rather this not closing beneath here. Because now my bullish bias becomes very, very low probability. Yeah, my bullish bias becomes very, very low probability here. Alright. Let's revisit this now. Still haven't taken out the SMT. ES did not take out this low. ES did not take out this low. ES been very, very bullish, but I want to watch the price action around ES. I want to watch price action around ES more. Whew, the price action is complex, man. I'm not telling a lie, that one is complex. That one is complex. Did not want to see this close beneath here. Alright, so I have that view already. Well, I have about 7 more minutes in my entry time, my entry period. Then I wait. So, is there anything that's gonna happen today? If I was bearish, that would be a perfect time to short, but I'm not bearish today. I'm not. This needs to be made efficient. Put the timer on. Not there. Boom. There. Okay. Alright, that's that right there. This displacement. The market's bearish. Boom. Can't close above. I think there's news at 10 too. I think there's news at 10. Yeah, there's news at 10 today. Oh no, that was yesterday. 9:45, 10:30. No, there's news at 10:30. I don't know if it'll be this price action, you know. If we cannot get back about this. Huh. Alright, some magic about for work, you know. What's this right here? What's this red line again? It's midnight opening price. Midnight opening price. Okay. Okay. Both bearish. This price action will be very, very good. I'm just not bearish today. Okay. Okay. So, alright. I'm sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands until 10. Next 15 minutes. This is today long as well premium to premium of ONS, yeah. Can see that. Can see that. I really just never wanted to see us close beneath those lows, like the closure beneath it. And this specific profile of ONS is not very, very good, because it allows for continued rallies low, which is what we're seeing right now. So my only hope is to anticipate it becoming bullish and try to get something from the low. But let's see what happens. But I'm right now, I'm sitting on my hands until 10. I don't really care what it does right now. It's 50% of this area here. What's that? I'm not gonna lie, this is nothing specific. Nothing specific at all. I just identified the area where it could come down to, but I really never wanted to see us rally out these lows like this. I really didn't want to see us rally out these lows. It's close. Alright, we rally out a low. SMTs got broken. Normally, if SMTs got broken to the downside, that would make me very bearish. This would make me very bearish. It's 10 o'clock right now. It's 10 o'clock. It's London close. So that normally brings reversals, right? If we are bearish right now, it should show. It should show in time and it should show in price. And at that point in time, based on what prints, I know what I'm doing. But I'm waiting until 10. I have not taken any trades today. But if I don't get a trade until around, if I don't get a trade until 11, I won't trade today. I won't. So this would just be a no trade day. If I was short, I'd be short from somewhere up here. This was beautiful. But my bias is not short. So I can't, even though my model's printing inside of here, I can't be short. But for sure, may I bang this. May I bang that. No Casey. I'm in that bitch. But not today. Not today. Today seems like no trade day, which I'm okay with. Very grateful for no trade days. You know what I'm saying? It reminds me that I have the ability to really and truly sit down and pick and choose what I want from the market. And if I don't see that, I walk away. And that's a big part about being a trader. If you don't want, if you see, if you see, you don't like it, don't try to twist it and make it seem like, oh, it's gonna do that, it's gonna do this. If it not give you want, just let it be, or just wait. Wait until you see something. Wait until something that you know pops up. For me, that's time and price. So I'm comfortable waiting. I'm comfortable waiting until 10 because I know what I'm looking for at 10. Yeah. Sitting on my hands. Ask somebody if them catch it. See it there. Phone over turn off, you know, for 1%. So far. Yeah, so bridging, when I'm bridging them catchers. Nasty trade. Something nasty. Watch this. Something nasty. That's nasty. I'm still in it. God damn. That's lit. That's lit though. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. What? What? Oh, so you were in before? I don't know. Were you in at the higher range, or were you in after the trade back into the inversion? Okay. Mm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there's so much pointing toward. If I was bearish, I'd be paid. What? Boom. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. I see. I see. Still not see because I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Still not see. What else am I looking for here? This should have been beers, so the only place I'm gonna beers right. So, boom, short. But overall, bearish and bullish on this market. Trying to seek that liquidity pool right there. Okay. That's what I'm interested in. We're stuck inside of a range right now. ES is proving vital to this delivery. All right. Feel something's coming up. Something's coming up, man. Yeah, something's coming up, man. All right. Here's the liquidity from yesterday. All right, so NQ is trading beneath its hourly low, an hourly low, boom, and it did not close beneath it, rejected it. Let's see. I'm bullish here. I'm bullish here, by the way. Just waiting and waiting. I want to get an entry somewhere down here, but I know that the better entry will come from here. The easier entry will come from here. willing to start building from here. I'm long. Stop. Seems right. I'm about to go long right now. So my entry is actually down here. And down in these lows here. I don't want to see us closing this fair value gap. Or we can retrace it, but I don't want to see us close it in. So that's my stops right there. If I close it in, I will close all my trades. Close all my shorts. Because I don't want to see us closing that fair value gap. Yeah. Let's see. Loss. It's an L. Would I take this trade again? Yes. Waiting for my fair value gap. Never wanted to see it get filled. Realized that a breakaway gap here, so it could go down all the way down to here. Not breakaway gap. It had an imbalance here between the opening and the closing. I said, okay, let's see that. Never wanted to see trade to even 50% of this. Never did, never did, never did. But no, it's fine. I have reference. What I want, you know. Took a loss there though. Definitely took a loss there. Classic. Yeah, you bought at IFG. When did this come in? Low probability day anyway, so. But this ES is rocketing off right now. The SMT between these two are crazy right now. Like, no joke. SMT between these two are crazy right now. It's a highly, 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 highly manipulated market right now. I expect it for the FOMC still. ES is just going higher, higher, higher. Just breached a high, though. Nasdaq still stuck in its range. Price action still day old bread. No, but ES is just going higher. ES is going higher. NQE just stopped. He's just not doing anything. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Tricky, 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 tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. All right. All right. I'm not touching this down here. I'm only willing to trade it once it breaks above this high. Should be speed, should be fast. And these are the rules that you put on yourself. Good book says rules are good. So I'm not very interested in this price action. It's just not doing anything, just meandering around. No, I really just want to. I really just want to step away from this market. I see a signature that I like. I see a signature that I like, but I really don't like these markets right now. It's not giving me anything on time. Normally, when it gets around these times, I should have already got my trade already. So, is it high probability for me to take trades out of this area? No, it's not. So I should have already banged the trade already, realistically speaking. Rules. No closure above here, no entry. This is just distortion, it's throwaway price. This price not really doing anything right here, is it? Well, nothing bullish. Can't say not nothing at all, just not enough bullish. Right now it's ES and Nasdaq are telling me that they're bearish. But I'm not bearish. Giving a lot of bearish signals. Nasdaq is giving bearish signals. ES is CSDing at 50% open ETR. Let's see. first trade for the day right there, loser. But let's see if we can get something before 11. The market wanted to resume doing what it's doing. Boring day. Yeah, the delayed move. It's a wrap for real. I'd say it's a wrap too. It's not much I can do here. Not much I even want to do here, to be honest. It's just unattractive price action. All right. This is so interesting. And Nasdaq is just not doing anything. Alright. It seems like Nasdaq is picking up on what ES wants to do. Okay. Still do what ES is doing. ES is wanting to close above highs. plus one. And do a solid one. 10:30, 10:45. I'm out this beach. And the foolishness with it, and that's stuck. It's what they call steal price action. Literally nothing now go on. This is how it feels like this to trade after the main move is gone. Just steal price action, it just nothing now move, nothing now, there's nothing. Like what you need to in M1 when it's inside of these ranges, see how it moves and stuff. But when you leave in the ranges now, of course I want to look at something else, or if it appears to be leaving the range. Okay. Okay. One second. Looking at this M5 closure on ES. I'm long. I'm long there. My last trade for the day. Stops are here, 20 points. Yeah, I'm long there. I'm just aiming for 50 points. I hate this market. 50 points is here. So that's what I'm using to buy this. That OB plus right there. I'm still watching the closures on M5 on ES, but it's not. The last closure did not close beneath an area that I was watching. It's back beneath the area, but it's going higher right now. Okay. So for this one, I went long here beneath this candle and got stopped. For this one, I went long here, stops beneath here. And we're aiming just for 50 points. Or should it be a trailblazer and just nah. I'm gonna partial at 50 points, break even, and hold, and then just walk away from the charts. I might just walk away from right now because today, honestly, was a very exhausting day. It's a very exhausting price action. This I don't like being forced to trade this or trading side of this or looking side of this. I hate it. This is me. That's me. This exhausts me. So yeah. couple things I want to see occur, and I'll feel comfortable after they've occurred. So one of these things, the first thing really and truly is 50% of this fair value gap here. I want us to tap 50% and potentially close above 50%. Give me a lot of insight on what I want to see to these markets. I'm just gonna leave my stops there. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave my stops there. 324, 324, 324, 324. Let's say 324. Alright, yeah. And that's basically it. I am gonna set an alert on the account that is attached to my phone, so I can know when my TP is hit or 50 points is hit, and I'm gonna just walk away. I'm exhausted today. I'm exhausted. That's like it exhausts me. White flag, white flag, white flag. One loss, and well, that loss is already recovered just by this price action upward. I could take it now, I could take it from here, I could take it here and it'd be a break even day. Or I could wait until it gets up to here and then break, and then partial to break even, and then let the rest of it just run at break. Partial to break even the account, partial it and let the rest run. Potentially. I just want to get to 50 points so I can partial. Like 16 point stop loss. So I really and truly just need to get to 32 points. I just need to get to 32 points here to be able to breathe E and still hold the same or some similar to the same risk. So at 10:45, calling it there, whether or not this is a winner or a loser. My max about to die too. So yeah, there won't be much of a change from now to 45. So I'm gonna end the stream right here. Yeah, if it's a winner, it's a winner. If it's a loser, it's a loser. Doesn't really matter to me because risk is managed. So yeah, man. I will be streaming tomorrow. Hopefully it's better price action.